Hello students, today we are going to study about the mass, density, weight, everything we'll study today. What is mass? What is matter? What is matter? Matter is the combination or is the constituent of the lot of things like atom, molecules and ions. See, if there is an atom, it consists of nucleus. This is positively charged nucleus. And the electrons revolve around the nucleus in a specific orbit. That is called energy level. This is called energy level. Electrons move in a definite energy level with definite energy. And in this way, you will have number of orbits, and as you are going away from the nucleus, the electrons increases and the distance of orbit from the nucleus increases. In first orbit, there are only 2 electrons, then 8 electrons, 2 electrons, then 18 electrons, then more than means that is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 16, 32 and 15 this way. Okay. So in first orbit, orbit is what? Orbit is what? This is a path. It is a path on which electron revolves. Orbit is what? It is a path on which electron revolves. Okay. And at the center of the atom, that is called nucleus, and it is the heaviest part of the atom. The size of the atom is 10 raised to the power minus 10 meter. This is very small size, means 1 upon 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 3 3 6 3 3 6 3 9 and 10. They are 1 upon, this is 10 raised to the power minus 10. Okay, meter. If you have, listen carefully, don't draw, listen carefully. This, if you have 1 meter wire or a thread, 1 meter thread, okay. If you divide in 2 equal parts, this is 50 centimeter and this will be 50 centimeter, because the total length is 100 centimeter means 1 meter. What is the distance? 1 meter means 100 centimeter. If you make 2 equal halves, to make 2 equal halves, that is called 50 centimeter and 50 centimeter. You can write 1 by 2 meter. You can write 0.5 meter. Got it? So, atom size is very small. You can compare now. If you have 1 meter wire, see, listen carefully. If you have 1 meter wire, how much 1 meter? See, if you want to see 1 meter, this is near about 1 meter. This distance is 1 meter. What it? From this point to this point is 1 meter. You make equal 10 pieces. That is called 1 by 10. What is 1 by 10? If you make equal 10 pieces, okay, equal 10 pieces, I don't know how many pieces are there. Now it is single piece, na? It should be 10 pieces, okay. And one piece will be 1 upon 10 means 10 raised to the power minus 1 meter. Listen carefully, don't draw. I'll give you time to write because this video is going to record it and you can see afterwards. Because if I am teaching and you are doing something else, you won't understand what I am explaining. You have 1 meter length wire and make equal pieces, 10 pieces. That is called 1 upon 10. If you make 100 pieces, you make 100 pieces, okay, 100 pieces, you will get 1 upon 100. You make 1000 pieces, that is 1 upon 1000, means 10 raised to the power minus 3 meter. This is 10 raised to the power minus 2 meter. So here 1 upon 10 times, यानी कि इतने छोटे छोटे पीसेस बनाएंगे तो एटम समझ में आएगा. तो टेक ए क्रिकेट बॉल, हैंग वेरी हाई, ड्रॉ 10 kilometer diameter sphere, means gola, like a ball. That big ball is atom, and the cricket ball hanging at the center is called nucleus. This is the difference between nucleus size and atomic size. So the size of the atom is 1 angstrom. It is called 1 angstrom. 1 angstrom. And size of the nucleus is 10 raised to the power minus 15 meter. Means 1 upon 15 zeros. 15. Got it? This is the size of nucleus. And this is the size of atom. 1 by 10. Raised to the power 10. Okay? Got it? So, atom is the smallest particle, the smallest portion of a chemical system. Atom consists of two parts. Nucleus, positively charged, extranuclear part, that is the electron. So, what is matter? Matter is composed of atom, molecules and ion. Atom is neutral. Why it is neutral? Because in nucleus, whatever the number of proton and the electron is always same. Number of proton and number of electrons are same. That's why atom is neutral. No charge on atom. Neither positive, neither negative. Okay. So, atom has neutron and proton. Neutron is positive, proton and electron. Nucleus is the neutron and proton. What is the nucleus? Nucleus has neutron and protons. Nucleus has neutron and proton. But in case of hydrogen, keep in mind, hydrogen has no neutron. Hydrogen. Okay. Hydrogen has no neutrons, zero neutrons. 1 proton and 1 electron. Hydrogen has 1 proton in the nucleus and 1 electron. Only hydrogen has. Hydrogen has only 1 proton and 1 electron. Any doubt till now what we studied? Any doubt? Good, great student.